In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change canvas size in Adobe Illustrator quickly and precisely. Whether you're resizing an artboard for social media, print, or a client project, this simple method will help you adjust your canvas in seconds. I'll walk you through both the manual drag method and how to enter exact width and height values for perfect sizing. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the small but important step that locks everything in place. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project. Once your file is open, look at your keyboard and press Shift+O. That shortcut activates the Artboard tool instantly. You'll know it's active because your artboards will become editable and you'll see bounding boxes appear around them. Now, click on the artboard or canvas that you want to change. This is important because if you have multiple artboards in your document, Illustrator needs to know which one you're editing. When you click it, you'll see anchor points appear on the corners and sides. To resize it manually, simply drag any of the edges or corners. Dragging a corner allows you to adjust both width and height at the same time. Dragging from the side handles lets you adjust one dimension at a time. This method is great if you want to quickly eyeball the size and adjust visually. However, if you need exact dimensions, for example 1920 by 1080 pixels for YouTube thumbnails, or specific print measurements like 8.5 by 11 inches, you'll want to use the Precise Input option. With the Artboard tool still active, go to the top control bar. There you'll see fields labeled W for width and H for height. Click inside the width field and type your desired value. Then press Tab and enter your exact height value. Illustrator will instantly resize the canvas to match your input. You can also change the measurement units if needed. If your document is set to pixels but you need inches or millimeters, make sure your document units are configured correctly under Document Setup. That way, the width and height values you enter are accurate for your project requirements. Once you're happy with your new canvas size, you need to exit the Artboard tool. To do that, simply press Escape on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can press V to switch back to the Selection tool. This confirms your changes and returns you to normal editing mode. And that's it. That's how you change canvas size in Adobe Illustrator using both quick manual adjustments and precise dimension controls. It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference when preparing designs for different platforms or print formats. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.